The Art tool in Illustrator has some hidden design magic. When it is combined with the tilde key, you can easily create stunning design effects in a few steps. So, open your Illustrator and set up the workspace however you want. Nothing complicated. Then click on the Line tool. You probably won't see the Art tool if you are working in the Essentials workspace. Click on the three dots and then you can find it here, or you can switch workspace and select Essentials Classic. It gives you most of the tools and it's always handy to set it default. Now click and hold the Line tool and select the Arc tool. Draw an arc, and while holding the mouse button, also hold the tilde key, which is just below your escape key, and you will see the not so beautiful effect of butterfly even after a couple of tries. Because you know how a butterfly looks like, but you don't know how to draw it properly. Let's ask Google and copy a top-down image of a butterfly. I like this one. Copy it into Illustrator, paste it in the middle of the canvas, take the Arc tool, find the middle point and hold the tilde key and start drawing around the edges. Once happy, drag everything to the side, give it a color and reduce the size of the stroke as per your liking. But we can delete this image now, but let's give the butterfly a gradient to make it more vibrant. It already looks pretty good, but there's more. Now select everything and head over to the stroke panel, change the arrowhead to this one and reduce the scale to 50%. Next step is to select everything, hold Shift and Alt and drag towards the left side. Flip it horizontally from the Properties menu and place it to the other side. Awesome, but to add the icing on the cake, grab the Arc tool and draw a hair or whatever this thing is. Follow the same steps again and you are all set to like and subscribe now. But just remember, the Arc tool and the tilde key can turn any arcs into art faster than any other tool, unless you love to manually draw and look busy.